but you got to post below. Hashtag yes. Hashtag yes if you want to see today's body rockin', health boosting food shop. Won't take long because this wasn't a big one. But every single food shop I do, there's something to learn. Definitely something to learn in every single food shop I do. So the last one I did at Costco, I came home and as I was unpacking, or almost unpacking, I went through the things I bought. And people said, that was awesome. Can you do that again next time you go food shopping? So here we are, doing it again. But I need to know, if you want to see what I bought at today's food shop at Trader Joe's for our health and fitness and wellness and longevity and strength, I gotta see you post below. Yes, hashtag yes. And we're gonna get right into it. While we're waiting for a few other people to post, I'm gonna show you some cool stuff on the refrigerator. This right here is when my father and his family, my grandparents, came off the boat from Sicily in the 1940s to Ellis Island in New York. All right, it's my grandmother, there's my youngest aunt, Vita, my Uncle Tony, and my father. He was about like 14 years old here. I think my grandfather was taking the picture, and my other aunt was not in the photo at this time. What else do we have? We've got me and my two little ones. This was like, goodness gracious, 23 years ago. My little Lexabop and Jojo Jr. He's like 25 now. Alexa just turned 23, so go figure that out. All right, who else wants to see what we got from Trader Joe's? No, they're corporate. I'm going to stop paying attention to you because you don't support local businesses. Well, Mary Gunther, let me tell you something. I support a lot of local businesses. I would like you to know that. You'll see some of those videos in the future, but please keep in mind, everybody who works at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, any other store here, guess what? They live locally. Those local people, these local residents, are supported by us local people shopping there. These local people earn a living. They get to spend that money into the local economy in many, many ways that also support local businesses. Okay? I go to a local coffee shop sometimes, locally owned, locally started. So I mix it up. So don't be so tunnel visioned into thinking that just because Trader Joe's is a corporation, that it doesn't support things on a local basis. Go to any corporate-owned facility in your neighborhood. I'll bet you 90% of the people working there are your neighbors or local townmates. Think about that, okay? Just really think about that a little bit. Who else? We're gonna get right into this. We're gonna knock this out. All right, here's what we're doing. We're going over to my refrigerator and the freezer because when I shopped today and I came home, I took the refrigerated stuff out, put it away. I put some things in the freezer. I'm going to show you what they are. So here we go. We're going to start in the freezer. My daughter, my youngest daughter, who's still living at home because she's got another year and a half of high school, she loves these organic French rolls from Trader Joe's. And let me tell you something. These are so good. I mean, really, really good. So I buy like literally 3 or 4 bags whenever I go because she eats at least 1 or 2 every day. And I like to have one sometimes as my dinner carbohydrate. Toast them in the oven, wrapped in foil. They're perfectly portioned. That's your full carbohydrate right there. No guilt, just all healthy organic flour. Just awesome. Mama Linda is back from Orange Beach, Florida. Yeah, good to see you again. All right, so what else did we get that's frozen? Oh, the other thing I got that is going to be defrosted sooner as opposed to later is Trader Joe's has this awesome wild-caught coho salmon. frozen. So delicious, so nutritious. And for the price for wild-caught salmon, it's like $10 a pound. Unbeatable, unbeatable. All right, so that's going in the freezer with the other things, with all the rolls. See all the bags of rolls? All the organic French rolls. Here's my youngest daughter right now.
Hello.
Just home from a full day of skateboarding and shenanigans out at the beaches. How did we do, honey? Any injuries? No, not today?
No, but I did get a pair of pants.
Nice. Are you gonna eat dinner with me, or you ate already?
Already.
Okay.
From skate shop called Permission.
Nice.
For like $34 originally. He gave it to me for $14.
Nice. Well done. I'm on live here. I'm showing everybody what the healthy food shop I did at Trader Joe's.
Did you get anything for me?
Of course I did. I got you like 3 bags of rolls this time. I got us some blueberries. So speaking of blueberries, we got the 2-pound container. All right. So you're not hungry?
No.
Okay. 2-pound blueberries, organic blueberries. You got to make sure that as many of the foods that you're buying as possible are organic. Okay. As many as possible. I'll give you an example. There's my organic salted butter from Costco. There's my organic soy from Costco. Here's my organic chicken stock from Costco. When you buy organic, you eliminate the herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, synthetic fertilizers, chemical fertilizers in your foods. Therefore, you eliminate them from your body. You reduce the risk of disease profoundly. Profoundly. Trust me on this, okay? We're just scratching the surface here. We're not of stock. Is wild caught? Oh, big time. Wild caught is a million times, like bazillion times better than farm raised. That's a story for another day. I'm going to get into that. But yes, wild caught, better than farm raised. Unless I learn otherwise, what I've learned and what I've seen, wild caught is the way to go. Mama Linda wants to know if I got any gluten-free things. My big fingers just flipped the cam. Let me see if I got any gluten-free things. They surely do have them there. I got gluten-free. I got gluten-free lettuce. So check it out. Josie's Organics. They carry romaine, big monster romaine at Trader Joe's. Organic. All right, that's gluten-free. But what else do I have? Check this out. You're gonna love this. I gotta get my door and drawers to open. Organic cauliflower. This is a monster head of cauliflower, organic, for like $3. That's bizarre. Like, who can't afford organics anymore? This is like for a family of 6, one dinner right here. For me, this is gonna be like 5 nights of roasted veggies. No joke. By the way, here's a secret tip for you. You see the greens? We totally eat these. You do not throw those away. You eat the greens, you cook them along with the cauliflower inside. So much nutrition, so many phytonutrients, cancer fighters, fiber, strength building, awesome stuff in there. Trust me on that. That's what this body's made of, mostly plants now. All right, so what you're also gonna see here is one of my favorites, arugula, organic arugula from Trader Joe's. All right, the freezer is telling me to, the freezer and refrigerator are telling me to shut it down, shut it down. It's getting too warm in here. So we're gonna shut that down. Ooh, what else? One more thing. Organic Thompson seedless raisins from Trader Joe's. I put these in my oatmeal sometimes. Sometimes, actually, tonight or tomorrow, I might make another full salad for Total Access. Anybody who's in Total Access, loving the quickly fit rapid results videos, you're gonna see me make a fully organic pre-spring fat burning salad soon. Another one's going in the library. Actually, at least 2 of them. All right, I've got some things written down that we're gonna be doing. So here's what else we got. Besides the gluten-free romaine lettuce and cauliflower, what else do we have? Cheryl knows. So many uses for cauliflower. The fitness nurse knows. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. How do I say cauliflower? Cauliflower, like a dog? All right, Mama Linda, she's laughing. She knows the gluten-free is funny. What else do we have? You ready? We're gonna go in the bags that didn't need to be refrigerated today. All right, so organic navel oranges, vitamin C, fiber, phytonutrients. Don't you ever listen to a trainer who says, you can't eat fruit, otherwise that sugar's gonna turn to fat. They still say that. I'm not kidding. There are trainers that still talk like that. You can't eat fruit, it's not on your program, because the fruit is gonna turn to fat. Who says this stuff? Where does this stuff come from? Divine creation put all these awesome nutrient-loaded, fiber-loaded fruits on earth as nature's dessert. So guess what? I buy oranges, I buy those blueberries you saw, I buy these bananas, all organic, by the way, because we don't want the chemicals in our bodies, because that probably makes you fat. And you don't see me looking fat when you see me doing my training videos, do you? No, it's all a lie. Fruit doesn't make you fat. If you eat 10 pounds of fruit every day, you might have a problem. Like, besides some gas and bloating, you may gain some weight. But don't listen to these characters. Fruit is here by divine design, baby. And yes, bananas are awesome. Like, that's gonna be my dessert tonight with some blueberries, and I'm gonna show you what's gonna go on top of my banana, my blueberries tonight. Here's what's gonna go on my banana. Actually, first, if you're not eating several onions a week, you are costing yourself some serious health benefits. Organic yellow onions. I actually got 2 bags of organic yellow onions. One of them is going in tonight's dinner. One of them is going in the Quickly Fit Rapid Results pan, okay? You gotta be eating onions for all the health, wellness, strength, and longevity benefits. Anti-aging, trust me on this, okay? Oh, you should always have onions in your refrigerator, always. Like, I'm always stocked up because I don't stop buying them and I eat some every day. All right, so we got the oranges, that. We got this week, because my fitness nurse hasn't sent me a new supply of my organic medicinals, I got my organic pomegranate white tea with hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers. Yes, we're not a stock. Onions are like one of nature's superfoods. Like, they all are, really. Anything from nature, pretty much, that's your superfood. So some of these recipes are going to be going in total access in the Quickly Fit Rapid Results section soon for people who need to get ready for spring and summer, not just this year, but for every year. All right, the fitness nurse knows that she's got to put together the big fitness package, the care package. All right. The other tea, this is so good. Organic ginger turmeric, herbal tea, caffeine free. A lot of you already know who've been following me. I drink teas every day. Every day. Yes, Vidalia onions. Vidalia. All right, now, what do I put on my banana? When I'm having dessert and it's time for the banana, I always have a supply. Even though these are not organic, these are literally some of the best tasting semi-sweet chocolate chip chunks, okay? These are so good, you won't know what I'm talking about until you have some of them. I got a few bags of those. Those are always in the closet to put on my banana, to put in some cereal, to put in oatmeal if I'm gonna have oatmeal as part of my dinner, which I do sometimes, believe it or not. But that's it. That was today's Trader Joe's food shop. Simple one, but everything I got is for a reason. And everything I got today is perfectly healthy, perfectly conducive to the health, wellness, and longevity lifestyle. Even those chocolate chips. You know why? I'm not eating the whole bag. I'm not even eating half the bag. Maybe 2 ounces of that dark chocolate goes into tonight's dessert after dinner. I might melt them on top of the banana with a spoonful of organic jelly preserves, like raspberry or something, or put those blueberries on the side, or toasted pecans, that too. So that's it. Yes, fitness nurse Lauren Lilly, she knows and recognizes this essential oil diffuser because it is good for health, good for relaxation, and good for peace. And she sent it here as part of the prescriptive regime that I'm implementing to get better sleep, to relax earlier, and to recuperate even better overnight. So that's where the fitness nurse Lauren Lilly comes in. She's helping me with the things that I'm not disciplined about just yet, because I'm like a little kid and I'm very, very hard to control sometimes. And sometimes I do need help myself. Just like a lot of people need help with their fitness and nutrition and mindset, I need help too with certain things. So I have people in my life who are helping me with various things. One of those people is the fitness nurse Lauren Lilly. She knows the rules, she knows the parameters, she knows some of the things that I'm slacking off on, and that's my sleep. So she's helped with prescribing certain things that are going to help, that actually have been helping with earlier sleep, deeper sleep, and more sleep than I've been giving myself, because I've cut sleep a lot just to get more done, to stay up later, to get up earlier. But I know that's not conducive to a stronger, longer life in the big picture. So she's helping me with that. And yes, she's even got me working on the bedtime curfew. So why do we share this? Because sleep is important. Relaxation is important. A diffuser that will help you relax, get your senses placed at ease. It helps big time. And you gotta get some sleep. So if you're not sleeping well, we will tell you, you have to do some things to make sure you're getting better sleep. Whatever you're doing now, if it's not good, just aim to make it a little bit better and better, okay? If anybody wants more info, if you're brand new here, just tuning in, like, whoa, what's this guy talking about? Who's the fitness nurse Lauren Lilly? Who are all these other people talking about like total access and being on the programs already? We want to get in there too. Post below. #help me. #help me, and we'll get you the link for a free group. We'll get you the link for some free programs to get started with. And then if you like everything on the freebie level, then we'll invite you into the programs where you can have everything right at your fingertips. And you're never guessing again, never playing games, never falling off, no more excuses, no more confusion, no more frustration, no more complexities, no more nonsense, no more BS, none of that stuff. All right, so I can't see that good. I know you're all sending me a lot of love, and I'm going to scroll through really, really fast here. Mama Linda Guidette, sending love. Cheryl Howard, sending love. Lauren Lilly, sending love. Michelle, Teresa, I can't tell if you're sending love or not, but I'm sure you are. Renata Stock, sending love. All right, that's all my fingers will go. Guess what? I got to cook some of this food now for dinner and dessert, and it's time to get rocking in here. So as always, peace, love, and light. Keep letting your light shine bright. Keep fighting the good fight because you're worth it. And have an awesome, beautiful, blessed, peaceful night. Peace. Love ya.